Hiller's calorie counter app is called Appediet Food Macro and Fitness Tracker, which you can just go and install it. So here's the app. If you're looking for a calorie counter with a free barcode scanner, food scanner, a macros tracker, or effective diet plans that fit your lifestyle, including intermittent fasting, Appediet is your answer. So this app is simple, straightforward, and packed with generous free features, all without ads. Snap any food photo and get calories and nutrition breakdown, lightning fast food entry with a barcode scanner, log foods faster than anywhere else, proven success. And yeah, so that's the idea. You can easily create your account with Google or Apple or email. And then what's your goal? And then you just select it's this. You can connect your health data. And then yeah, you can just select all of this data. And then yeah, you can then just select and that's basically the idea. And that's the onboarding. And then you have your custom plan, which is created for you. And then you just have it like that. You can select free trial, free for 3 days and $40 per half year. So $40 per half year, $80 per year. And then as you can see, if I don't upgrade the first time, I have a nice 60% discount. So always do not upgrade it the first time in all these apps. Just a hint for you. And then yeah, you can get access to your health data again. And then that's finally you're in the app. You have your, you can add workouts, and then basically you just log in your meals like that. You can scan food, you can use barcode, you can save food or quick log. So I just, for example, add one banana, for example, and then just automatically I have it like that. So that's the idea. And then I have my plans. That's the idea. And then I also have recipe. You can have recipes, but then I guess you need to upgrade for all of these details. Then you have your account. And that's the overview in a nutshell. Then there is also like an AI chatbot. So definitely interesting app. Try it out.